In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to declare on uFiling. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to www.ufiling.co.za. Step 2. Log in to your uFiling user account with your username and password and select Login. Step 3. In your profile, select Declarations Manager on the left-hand side menu. Step 4. Click on the employer name on the left-hand side of the grid. Step 5. Click on the View Declarations on the bottom right of the grid. Step 6. Your declaration grid will be displayed. Step 7. Click on View to see the return values. Please note the legend associated to the colors on your grid. Step 8. Click on Open Declaration in the Return Values pop-up, and then click on Edit View to resolve any declaration issues shown. When completed, click on View Declarations in the bottom right of the grid. Step 9. To view and open your UI7, click on View and then click on View UI7 in the Return Values pop-up. Step 10. After viewing your UI7, click on Back to return to the declaration. Step 11. To submit your declaration, click on View and then click on Submit Declarations in the Return Values pop-up. Step 12. Click on Yes to continue with declaration submission in the pop-up. Step 13. Click on Yes to continue with declaration submission in the pop-up. Step 14. Click on OK. Step 15. Click on Calculate Declarations. Your grid turns green and therefore your declaration has been successfully submitted. Thank you for watching.